Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 26. The country will be affirming its commitment to a social partnership for development in the coming week. Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller will officially launch the Partnership for Jamaica Agreement next Wednesday. She'll be signing the agreement along with representatives of the private sector, trade unions, civil society, academia and special interests.
The agreement to be signed next week has been framed with the participation of the representatives from all sectors mentioned.
While addressing this week's Jamaica House press briefing, Information Minister Senator Sandra Faulkner said the agreement represented the consolidation of years of work. Jamaicans are soon to benefit from increased access to credit and reduced loan risk. This as government moves to enact the Security Interest in Personal Property Act 2013. Information Minister Senator Sandra Faulkner says the act is designed to modernize and improve the availability of domestic credit to the private sector while minimizing the risk of non-repayment of loans.
It also seeks to create security interests in personal property, simplify the registration process for recognition of such interests, allow for public notification of security interests, and stipulate the rules which govern the propriety in which such interests are enforceable.
The minister says the current collateral system in Jamaica is costly, inefficient, and not in keeping with best practice standards. But she says with this new law, businesses will be able to pledge assets as collateral. Cabinet has approved the award of a $107.45 million contract to secure hospital equipment and supplies. Lasca Distributors is awarded the contract, which provides for the lease of laboratory and analyzing machines and the purchase of 3 years' worth of reagents for the Spanish Town and Linstead hospitals. Meanwhile, Cabinet has also approved a contract for Noel Mobile Systems GmbH to supply and commission 4 diesel-electric straddle carriers for the Kingston Container Terminal at a cost of €2.79 million. The equipment will be used at the ports for stacking and moving containers, and the purchase is being funded by the Port Authority of Jamaica's 2013-2014 budget. Labour Minister Derek Kelly is encouraging Jamaicans to commit to a culture of lifelong learning so they can be more effective in their contribution to the country's productivity levels. The minister was speaking Tuesday at the opening ceremony of an opportunities fair put on by the Jamaica Foundation for Lifelong Learning JFLL. He re-emphasized that increasing productivity in businesses was a key strategy for economic growth.
I deem this to be the single most important strategy, capable of accomplishing several extraordinary development goals, such as accelerating and sustaining growth in our gross domestic product, enhancing growth in our standard of living, and raising profits and share prices, among others.
The event was held under the theme Lifelong Learning for Lifelong Opportunities and allowed the participants to get information on the services of the JFLL, skills training and certification, and job readiness. And finally, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has praised the impact of the Centers of Excellence program as an example of the kinds of private investment needed to advance the education sector. The Mutual Building Societies Foundation has been implementing the Centers of Excellence program for the past 5 years. It involves injecting well-needed financial and technical resources into 6 rural area non-traditional high schools.
What these people are doing is to take the power of their wealth, their cash, to garner their intellectual capacities, drawing from all those who have been participating, and investing and mobilizing also social capital to an extreme extent among the participating schools.
Minister Thwaites was speaking at a recent educational leadership symposium organized by the Mutual Building Societies Foundation. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thanks for watching.